साबुन की तरह हो जाती है, ग्रिप करना बहुत कठिन है। अब आप भी गेंदबाज थे सुनील, आप भी ऐसे मैच खेले होंगे कभी जब गेंद को ग्रिप करना बहुत कठिन था, फिर आप क्या करते थे?
अजय वो तो लंबी कहानी है. As the matches goes on, we will share that part of difficulties. You know, when the dew starts falling, it's going to be really difficult to grip the ball. Meanwhile, Manikuttan. Oh, starts from the wide. Let me come back to that. I still remember, of course, it's part of the growing up as you play higher and higher and you put number of games. You see the Kerala dugout colorfully. Kerala strikers. It's always difficult to grip the ball when the dew part will come into whether you bowl first or bowl second. You know, you need to get used to it. It's a beautiful shot from Pradeep. Nicely timed for a single. Yeah, coming back to that again, dew part, Ajay. It's very difficult. What I used to do is try and practice with a wet ball in the skill sessions. That's the way I got used to it. And we see Digant on the screen. He is a very popular actor from Bulldozer's side. And I kept on doing that, and though I used to have trouble in the match, and I started bowling behind the crease. That's where the access became easier for me to grip the ball when the ball starts skidding.
And that's the thing that the youngsters really have to learn, and once you're playing that grade of cricket, that quality of cricket, to learn a few things pretty important. That's a good delivery. Just falling the batsman. He was just coming out of the crease. Sudeep is a very smart customer, very experienced campaigner. Just falling the batsman. Manikuttan doing the wise thing.
That's a wise one from either of both of them, I would say. Sudeep stepped out. Manikuttan bowled into his pads. Never allowed the batsman to get his hands free to go for the heap.
Inside edge, that's racing away, that's cleared in the gap. That's a very good effort. Just thought that ball was travelling. In fact, in the end, signaling a 4 because his body just hit the skirting. That's a very good effort indeed, good commitment. But in the end, that's going to be a 4. Himself signaling that boundary.
That was a great shot from Pradeep, and you look at the effort from him, brilliant effort, and he was very clear and very honest in saying that it was a boundary. Really appreciated, Ajay.
Absolutely, and that's exactly what you want, because you see his legs are just hitting the skirting. In fact, it was referred to the third umpire, although he had already indicated before. Pradeep getting his second boundary, moves on to 14 now. Drummers out here, a lot of music in the air as well at the stadium. You know his name, yeah, Sunil?
I think must be some Swami. I fairly remember, but I don't know what Swami he is. But he is very popular in Karnataka. That's for sure, I can say that.
You were also part of the Rockstars team as a mentor. You were just guiding them. What was your role in the side?
I was part of the Rockstars team. I know a couple of games I did play, and I was trying to make them realize that how important is to compete with the best of the players. So that trying to share them the nuances. When you play a better team, better players, you come across with a better batsman, you come across with a better bowler. How you can negotiate.
In fact, how did the fare as far as the Karnataka Premier League are concerned? Because a lot of good quality cricketers, a lot of first-class cricketers are playing in that league. So how did this team fare in the first few seasons?
I think Rockstars, for them, if you look at the way they've shaped well, of course, they have not won many games in KPL, but the exposure what they got is tremendous. It's very important for them to compete with the best of the players, You know, you name the big guns in the IPL: Rahul, Manish Pandey, Robin Uthappa, Stuart Binney, Vinay Kumar, uh, Karun Nair, Mithun, Arvind, everyone. You name the big players in from IPL were part of KPL, where these bulldozers, Kicha Sudeep and his team, they have negotiated that sort of a bowling or a batting players. That means we got to give that much the exposure and credit to Kicha Sudeep.
That experience really makes this a very formidable unit, Karnataka Bulldozers. That's exactly what we've seen of them in the last few seasons in the CCL. Pulls that one, just eluding the fielder at mid wicket. Just settling for one. 4 overs gone, 27 for no loss. Need to rotate your bowlers and bowl your best bowler probably in the last bit. Your 8th, 9th, 10th over. Always going to be very important. That's a good start. That's a good delivery as Gill. Just getting a bit of movement.
That's a good start though, Shafiq. Nice line length. Ball one. It's on the spot.
I like the rhythm as well. The way he bowled that first delivery. Running up pretty well to the crease. Just getting a bit of movement. Bit of lateral movement. Not much. But just slight. The lights also just coming on. Just shuffling across. Plays on the onside. That's a terrific strike. No stopping that. That race across the turf.
I think if you could just go back to this replay and wait how he wisely moved onto the off stump, picked it up nicely, a pickup shot.
Love that bat flow as well from Sudeep. This is the bat flow, beautiful. Just like a golfing shot. Just playing in the vacant area. Doesn't matter long on a deep square leg. Just playing in that big vacant area. Just pulling that one, not timing it too well. You see the runner for Sudeep. Charging in, running the first one really hard. At times there can be a bit of confusion, especially for Pradeep. He's looking at Sudeep for a few seconds and then looking at the runner.
Absolutely, you're spot on. You see the Kerala dugout. Some of the slips from Kerala strikers. Coming back to that shot, it was a pitching wedge shot, Ajay, which got Kicha Sudeep boundary.
You played a bit of golf, isn't it?
I do still play, but not though regularly. And my shots will be only deep mid wicket and deep square leg.
What a stress buster, isn't it?
In fact, I have to say this on record. Since I started playing golf during my career as well, my backswing got better and I started hitting much more straighter.
But probably late in the career, late in the day for you.
It was too late.
Had that swing got better, Sunil would have probably got much more runs. He got a lot of runs at the first class level, at the international level as well, but could have been a different story altogether.
Sense some small drama is going on, Ajay, in between 22 yards.
And you have a lovely golf course in Bangalore, isn't it?
Oh, fantastic. We have 4 or 5 best golf course in India, I would say, KGA. Then we have Nandi Golf Shire. Then we have Eagleton. Then we have BGC. Lovely. That's the one. Pradeep. Gone for a big one. Oh, missed it. Didn't time it though, but he got 2 runs. Going back to that golf course, Ajay, Bangalore has Bangalore caters, Karnataka caters a lot of golf courses, a lot of golf tournaments as well.
Well, that should have been taken. Although they look easy, the ball was swirling in the air, just coming down, getting both his hands. Had enough time. Oh, just messing that one. They need to hold a few catches. Sudeep as well. Got a reprieve early on. Once again, clobbering on the offside. Will come back for the second. Good running. Good running by the runner. He's running to danger. And a couple of more runs. Good over so far. Got a boundary early on. And then a couple of runs. Overall 9 runs coming from this over, 5 deliveries.
I think the best part is, they haven't lost a wicket. That's a bonus. The wickets in hand puts the opposition onto pressure.
That's tucked away. That's going to be a long chase. It's a quick outfield. And it's going to be a 4 to end the over. 5 overs gone, 40 for no loss.